this Audi A6, its radiator already come. This is the old, this is the new cover. Radiator already put back here, and this is the condenser. So that's not so hard. I have to open the bumper here, and this condenser have to open this, and there have a cooler from here, one below one, and this is the hot water and cold water coming out. So all the socket chabot, and this one something open, and so easily can open. So they have a lock here, there have a rubber, so rubber inside have a hole, so this lock into the hole, put in the hole, and this one so fit, and this one also. And this is the below have a mountain for the radiator not moving. This later there have something alternator and hose, water, all put back, and get this startla.